Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum, I think, yeah, it's going to play out to the downside the way this currently looks. That was also what I suggested in the last video. So my concern that we will probably get rejected in this green area so far seems to be playing out. We basically made something like a double bottom here. To be fair, it was bought up pretty quickly. But yeah, it's coming down quite impulsively, so that would suggest we might really be in this last wave down, in this fifth wave of the wave A. I mentioned those two different scenarios which are possible here now in the previous scenario. So basically the wave from the low here at 1350 could be either a wave 5 over wave 1, or it could just be that we've made here a wave, that we came down here in a wave A to 13, let me just think, that we came down in a wave 4, and then moved up in a wave 5 here to the high of 1780, and we then came down in a wave A, moved up in an overshooting wave B, and we're now coming down in a wave C. It is not entirely clear yet which of these scenarios is playing out. Therefore, it will be very important to see what the further price action is doing exactly when we have completed this last leg down. As I said, I think there will be one more wave within what I think currently is a wave A. It could also be a wave C, and that is exactly why then the next price action will be important. But I think either way, there should be one more leg down. Then we will see a recovery, a rally, and that is not entirely clear yet if it will be an impulsive rally or a corrective rally. If it is a corrective rally, it will be a wave B, in my opinion, that would eventually come down impulsively in a wave C. Or if it is now an impulsive rally, then the low has already been in here. So that is not entirely clear yet. We will see. Either way, I would expect after this move down, a move to the upside. Why? That has to do with these subdivisions and how the waves are playing out. The last, in this move down, we have to be, irrespective of any ambiguity in the higher level wave count, we have to be very honest here. So far, this move was calculated spot on. We hit exactly this retracement area, as a possible short signal. Anybody who wants to trade that. And then also here most recently, that was yesterday, we hit this retracement area as well, as a possible reversal area and possible short signal. But here again, it's the last wave, so there's not too much juice in it anymore. In terms of targets, there are 3 targets we can look at now for this wave 5. And I think this is what probably interests everybody. So the first target is around here. I moved that up a little bit. It's around 1464. That is based on the equality projection between wave 1, and we can just add that here to the chart, just show you how to do that. Basically here, equality projection from wave 1 and wave 5. And that takes us here to that round about 1465, maybe even into the direction of 1470. Again, it's not 1465 here. Here it depends on also which exchange you're using, therefore prices are a little bit dynamic. I would always add maybe basically 1% around that area, I would always say. So it's not always exactly to the level because we've got differences in exchanges and so on. That's the first target we can look at. The second target is, and for that, the second target, start with this one. The second target is we can draw an impulsive channel by connecting waves 1 and waves 3. And then you just have your parallel line to the upside. Basically like that, so-called impulsive channel. This impulsive channel, we might even have it a bit like that, and we connected wave 2 and 4 as well. This impulsive channel to the downside will act as additional target. So depending on when we come down, you've got your target down here could be, if we came down now, it would be rather in the area around 1420 maybe, yeah? If we just came down in a straight line, which we're not going to do. And yeah, and then we've got as a third target here the I would go with, and we draw the fib levels now from the low at 880. 880 was the low, and we go to the high, yeah, and then we look at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. To be honest, that is pretty much at 1460 anyway, so it's pretty much in line with the yellow horizontal line as well. So certainly look at, should we come down once more and make a lower low, and we're pretty close, you know, that is at 14, basically we need to break 1530 to make one more lower low. And then, yeah, the 1460 level, yeah, around about that area will be a very, very important one. And if we lose this level, I'd be looking at the descending trend line here. All right, and that's my update about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. If you really like the content, then also check out our Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the description for that. There's additional content to be found basically, yeah, every day. And also, if you're interested, check out the channel membership. Here you can get access to, yeah, the Telegram live chat groups. There's an announcement channel. There's a signals channel, well, 4 signals on Telegram and Discord for gold members. Basically shorter term market updates and a lot of additional stuff you can see when I buy and sell, and you just become part of a great community. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.